Hey Patrick, it's Tyler. I wanted to make this video for you and just give you a couple tips to start implementing right away in order to outrank your competition online and really start bringing in jobs for your business. So I have your Facebook page pulled up here, and it looks like you just got a website, so that's great. And the logo is awesome. All right, so we want to make sure that we're utilizing this page to kind of pump out content and show some before and after pictures and really engage with our customers. I'm going to come over here to your site and check it out. And it looks like you made it on GoDaddy, and you have some great before and after pictures. But really what we want to look for is content. And Google loves content. They want to see about 1,000 to 2,000 words on the homepage of a site. And then if you have different services, you want to create individual service pages that have about 500 to 1,000 words. And really all that content is going to allow you to rank for specific keywords that people are typing into Google all the time to find businesses and services that you offer. Now, I'm going to come over here to the back end of your site in a tool I utilize called Ahrefs, and it doesn't show me any data because the site must be a little bit newer, all right, but there's not too much going on either. So you want to build up the power and the trust of this site so that it's going to be able to rank accordingly, on the first page, and so that people can find it when they're typing in, services in your area. So if I come over here and type in Roswell GA gutter cleaning, right, because that's obviously one of your services that you focus on, we're going to come down here to a map pack section, and then down here we have an organic listing section. And let's be honest here, nobody comes down this far to hit the second, third, fourth page, so we definitely want to figure out a way to get onto this first page. All right, now I'm going to hit one of the first results. We're going to skip Yelp. We're going to come down to this first business. We're going to check them out. So we have here guttersroswell.com, all right? And we do see that they have a little bit more content than you do, right? They have got a form that you can fill out. And it looks like they have a services page, about and contacts page, just like you. They have a button to call the business, which is great. I don't believe I saw that with yours. So we definitely want to add, a button to, for customers to be able to call you, especially on mobile. You want that clickable. You want it to be as easy as possible for people to navigate your site and to get a hold of you. So, these guys have a little bit more content, but let's kind of go into the back end of their site and figure out, why they're ranking so well and what they're focusing on. If we check theirs out, they've got obviously a little bit more data than you guys. They've been around for quite a while here, since 2017, but I wanted to focus on these keywords to kind of show you, what to focus your content around. All right, so we see Roswell gutter cleaning. It's searched 30 times a month, and these guys are bringing in a couple clicks to their website for that search term. And then it looks like, let's see, we have gutter cleaning Alpharetta, right? So if we go a little bit further down south, we've got that one. It's 40 searches a month. All right, and these guys aren't even utilizing that keyword to its full potential here. They're ranked number 23. Gutter cleaning Alpharetta without the GA. It's 80 searches a month, so that's a really good one. If we even get into Atlanta or gutter repair, it looks like for Atlanta, 70 searches. Atlanta gutter experts, 80. Right, so there's some great keywords, for a couple different areas here that you could target. And even on top of the homepage and the services page, about us, contact us, you could create location pages even, right? If you're going to focus on, I think it was a couple different locations that you had, maybe Roswell, Alpharetta, and I thought there was one more. Yeah, right here, Johns Creek. So you can create location pages and then really get found for those specific location keywords. So that's just something to think about as well. But that's going to help you get into that organic section. And then another factor you're going to want to pay attention to are backlinks. And a backlink is just a link from one site to another, and it passes power and trust to your site, right? Think of Google like one big popularity contest. The more content you have and the more backlinks you have, and the higher quality of the two against your competition, the higher up you're going to rank. So we want to make sure that we're getting, quality backlinks and obviously more backlinks than our competition. So we can kind of go into these backlinks just like we went into these keywords, figure out what's working for, the top competitors and beat them out then. All right, the last thing I want to talk about are citations. And a citation is just your name, address, and phone number. And we list those in business directories online like Yellow Pages, right? And it just kind of gets our name out there, and it allows for people to find our business online, right? Anytime they type in pretty much anything to do with our business, we want to get found for it, right? So that way they pick us over the competition. And the citations, again, have everything to do with the Google listing. Okay, so we want to make sure we create one just like this one. Again, I typed in Roswell GA gutter cleaning, and these are the top 3 results in the map pack section. So if I click on this first result, we're going to figure out, kind of why they're ranking there. And I mean, this is definitely one of the reasons. They got 44.9 star reviews. Okay, they have their hours here. They have their phone number. They've got a bunch of pictures, which is great. Customers love those before and afters. And then they have a description as well. So we want to max our description out. These guys, aren't using that to their full potential. We want to put in some keywords like gutter cleaning Alpharetta here. All right. And, doing that, optimizing this, optimizing your website, that's what's going to help us get to the first page, both in the map pack section here and in the organic section. All right, so kind of combining a little bit of everything with your Facebook, your website, and your Google listing, it's going to definitely do wonders for your business and really start competing against bigger, more established companies. All right, so people can find you, with many search terms throughout many areas. Now, if you have any other questions, feel free to reach back out. Here's my business website, leadsbylordi.com. Phone number's in the top right corner, and you can hit me back up on Facebook as well. I'll talk to you soon.